You scare me, you know?
Sorry, I never mean it.
I'm sorry too. I just get busy with work, so I never take up my phone for call you.
I understand, Tonya.
No, we promise that we're gonna keep close and interact more. I still want it happen.
And me want that too.
What did happen to you?
The bad flu, man, the bad flu. Shake up the system. Tonya, a cough in my chest burn me.
Say all that now? I should have day here cook some soup for you.
It's alright, man. I manage. Remember, you know, he's a old warrior, you know.
I know, but you have a daughter, and as your only child, my day here for help you.
Here you will look after. Me tell you, you know, stop holding me up. Oh.
You're too proud sometimes.
No, darling, it's not pride. It's independent.
Alright, Beyonce. Pardon my manners, Mom. I want you to meet someone.
Oh, but I'm next man. I'm not Kareem.
You gonna come?
You come?
So, Maureen, this is Bubbles. Bubbles, this is my mom.
Hi, it's another other mother. More like a big sister. Well, it is very, very nice to meet you. She talks highly of you.
Well, that's good to know.
So, Tony, and tell me that you're a police.
It's not like the JCF kinds, more like intelligence agent.
Oh, you mean like undercover business?
Maureen,
You don't have to worry, man. We can keep a secret.
Well, that's good to know.
so I have to leave now. You sure you're alright? You know I'm gonna come spend a night with you?
I'm a good man. I'm good. And plus, remember saying you about the flu? I know why you catch.
You're right. We can't manage that now. But please keep your phone on, okay?
Yeah, man. No worry, man. I'll call you every day. Alright?
Me too.
Alright, make sure.
No promise.
Alright.
Later.
Alright, Miss Bubbles.
Just Bubbles.
Auntie Bubbles.
Oh, Miss Maureen, I noticed your house is on the front page. How you travel? Bus, charter, taxi?
Taxi sometimes, route taxi sometimes.
Okay. You by any chance hear about the phone scamming thing that's going on?
Phone scamming.
If anybody come to you for beg a call, you not have no credit. And while you're out on the street, stay off of your phone. Please.
Okay, Miss Bubbles. Auntie, yeah, Miss Bubbles.
Alright, Miss Maureen.
Alright, Miss Maureen.
Alright.